quality of our sleep can have a significant effect on our mental health. A healthy sleep-wake cycle is imperative for the brain to recharge and the rhythms of our body to function optimally on a day-to-day basis. So, what is a normal sleep cycle? Typically, this is when 4 to 5 periods of deep sleep alternate with 4 to 5 periods of REM sleep, which is when dreaming occurs. There can be short waking periods during this time that last 1 to 2 minutes. The waking periods through the night are often not remembered unless something disruptive happens around the same time. For example, a snoring partner. Here are the characteristics of a poor sleep cycle: struggling to get to sleep, waking up early, waking for long periods in the night, not feeling refreshed after a night of sleep. Most people need 6 to 9 hours of sleep every night. However, this number can vary greatly from person to person. A poor sleep cycle can lead to physical and psychological symptoms such as low mood, anxiety, irritability, poor cognitive function, and elevation in blood pressure. Here are some tips to improve your sleeping habits and overall mental health. Establish a consistent and regular schedule for when you go to sleep. Create a comfortable and relaxing environment for sleeping. Limit your intake of stimulants such as caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine. Exercise regularly. Avoid stimulating electronic devices late at night, for example computers or mobile phones. Avoid drinking excessive liquids. A full bladder can get in the way of a good sleep. If you're still having trouble with sleeping, then do contact your GP for further advice. A good night's sleep is vital to your physical and mental well-being.